In this video, we are going to see how we can change the text color of our Please Donate stand on Roblox. It's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So all we have to do is, if you're using it on the application, you just need to go on a browser and simply you go to Google and write here, please donate text, and whatever website you see, try heartguides.com or whatever, you can click on that and you scroll down here, and from here we can choose the text style, the color and all to change the text of our please donate page. So for example, text, whatever we want to write there, donate now for me, something like that. You just write your text here, and there are a lot of fonts available. Let's say I want to choose this one. Now let's choose a color. For example, I want it to be blue. You can also choose the stroke thickness, that is border around the text. As you can see, as soon as I change it, it's changing this around the border. Stroke color, you can also adjust that. Let's say that you want it to be blue or dark blue as well. And after that, you will notice that it has generated a code here. So we copy that code, go to Roblox, and you claim a stand here, whatever is the empty stand. Let's say I want to claim this one. So hold E, and once you claim that, you want to change this text color, right? And to edit this, we will hold E again, and from here you can see this text right here. So we remove this and we paste this code, close out of here, and as you can see, this is a custom font style or font color that I've used just with the code. So that is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.